Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia. Guys, that sabotage today, that intimidation, well, what was that all about, guys, that happened in Koti, in Senzo Mewa trial? He has Sisamangel, man, it's 3 hitmen. I'm like, 3 hitmen from where? Who are they gonna hit? Because unamang. And umngani wakho uratha naye wakhokhela envelope. They are friends, those people. Uzofika dubile by court, guys. I'm just like, no, please stop with these games. Like, honestly, Ukraine needs to stop. And okay, like they still have power. So, no, maybe they're gonna hit the prosecution just because they're not winning. Those people, like Ukwabini exposed them. He's been exposing them for 4 times now. And then today, I'm intimidated to say, I said, those are my friends. They're here for me. Say, hitmen. I'm like, guys, we need to stop, guys. There's just something there that's going on. I just don't know what it is. And I mean, I don't want to go to as far as Uguti case in any Senzo case. No, there's nothing there. But like, why are we doing this? Just because someone why? What have you done? And remember, Pela Gwabini has said it, he is afraid and is actually been running for his life. And then people turn around and they were like, no, actually, after the key role players like Baloyi, guys, Hi guys, njalo state when they are losing. You've seen it, bra. Mangona mawadenzi elwisa abantu ecourt, accused number 3, belwisa no accused number 5. Guys, there's always something when the state is losing. Please, let's not do this. This is crazy, guys. Like, we're gonna live like this in the sense of Mewa trial until when? And as South Africans, honestly, we need to stand up and be like the Mewas. They need to find justice, guys. This is like so crazy. I can't believe what happened. I'm like, and then Ukwabini all of a sudden, because he gave that evidence and that whole thing, ukuthi manje statement usimxakile manje lesesifuneka isifuna defense ubaloyi, and then they must distract us. Guys, we're not distracted with the Senzo Meyiwa case. We know exactly what's going on here. We're not dumb. And they make us fools, all South Africans, like Tina Sakul, when we can see what they're trying there. Those people who came in there were Gininda's entourage. Just as Baloyi entourage. And why would you want to be choosing states? And they're saying that they were questioning these 3 hitmen, inverted commas, outside. Like, so they said, oh yes, we are here for Baloyi. Guys, please. Like, honestly. And it's the whole thing. You go tell, yeah, Kwabini is in Kabilizer, in Kabi. Guys, please. Because the state, they need to stop. Their case is done, those people. They must just move on and be like, no, it's all us, can we go home now? Like, honestly, no rate entertain. Is someone dead? Is someone arrested? Guys, like, honestly, bro, there's no need for that. Guys, Ukininda is always arresting people that didn't do anything. Those people are there to accompany Ukwabini, sebe ama hitmen, all of a sudden, like, hey, well, yeah, unbelievable, eh? What in the name is Gininda trying now, guys? Oh, what are these things that happened there in court today? It gives Gininda's rights. If Fanalin, he was manufacturing and cooking something there. Uzophuma. Guys, manje. Yo, futhi was. I'm just like, wow. I'm so done with Gininda's entourage. They created something because Sahluleka is state, guys. Oh, Gininda and Jeshem, God, that they won't get away with this. After they have unalived so many people, they are still wanting to try other things, and they've been arresting people. All those Fafakis didn't even delete Senzo, guys. Okay, we need a breakthrough in Senzo Meyiwa case. Football ahead prayed Uguti Kube before the 25th of December, 15th of December. So mhlambi madla ngizoqala ngathi we are still hopeful, guys. We can't give up.